Up guys, and today I'm going to be buying a project truck since I have this loaner vehicle. Well, my TLX is getting fixed since it won't start. Anyways, I bought it since I want to customize it and make it into a big truck like this. So I bought it. It's coming out to dealer and it is it's completely stock. You'll see there's literally nothing. There's nothing on it, just the paint and the interior cap. And that's it. Just like the body of the truck. There's not even a bed on it. So, yeah, you can see right here, that's it. It's just completely stock. No bed, no nothing. Oh, and they still haven't got on my TLX yet. Well, yeah. That's upsetting. Although this truck is nice, I'd rather have my truck more than it. We're gonna hop in it is a NMC Raptor. It's completely stock. When I say stock, I mean nothing. There's no bed, there's nothing. So we're going to be customizing it and turning it into a heavy duty work truck. And I did not put the ramps down all the way. Just look at this suspension, it's just floating on the trailer, one tire off. Although the suspension is pretty stiff, I do say. But we'll back it up here. My friend did say he brought over a car. He said I could have it, we already signed paperwork, but I got for free, which is weird, but I'm not kidding. I got for free. He dropped it off at my house. He said I can do whatever I want, and I already own trucks, and I don't really need another truck, so I'm probably just destroy it, maybe, probably, but yeah. And I'm gonna strap the truck, and yeah. To be honest with you guys, I actually don't know what the car is. It's a surprise, but if it's free, hey, I'm taking it if it's free. I'm honestly just probably gonna destroy it if it's not a nice car. If it is a nice car, just probably will sell it, but yeah, this truck is insane right now. It's supercharged and it's just loud. To make wide turns. This time I actually use straps so nothing comes off. So the truck doesn't come off. It's a brand new truck. It's 2022. Well, no, it's actually 2023, I forgot. It's 2022, but it came out early with it, since usually car brands come out early with the next year's truck and everything. But we'll feed Mowgli here, so he's not hungry. Is Dad a good dog? Good boy. Good boy. You're just devouring it, so you're just... Well, he ate that very quick. We'll fold down the rams. And we got the straps off, and we'll fire this truck up. Very nice. It is a crew cab, and probably will buy a single cab. Is that? Oh, that's the trucky. That's not it. This thing looks ugly. I'm gonna destroy it. At least I'm gonna try, since it's off-roading. I did give a ramp. My neighbor the person who originally owned this house, they had that there, and I'm probably gonna just jump it until it's destroyed. Should I just park in here? Yeah, I'll just park in here, to be honest. Close the door. Probably gonna go jump the buggy over there. till it's destroyed flat. Put the trailer in. Okay, I didn't realize his truck ain't had a rack. Yeah, if I had towing mirrors, it'd be really helpful if I had towing mirrors, since I was struggling to see if the truck was, if LMC was still on. We'll just park the TLX here. The wife has also been driving, and she's been saying it's very nice, since we've been thinking she might get one sometime. But it's time to completely, wait a minute, there's something wrong here. Look, this tire's out the wheelbase. This tire's in the wheelbase. Yeah, is that a problem? It looks so weird if you look at it. Anyways. The only reason why it's kind of ugly is just the color. Like, there's nothing wrong with yellow, it's just on this, it just doesn't look that good. Make the exhaust pipe shorter, come out the back. But it's probably not going to be able to survive to do that. I think this was a Volkswagen before. It's a manual. Haven't driven one of them in years. For it. Oh, I heard something. Oh, one of the rings broke. Well, it's starting to crack with the shock when the rings are coming off. We're gonna try to get some speed and jump it. On 60, 70, 80, 90. Ooh, 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 oh. Oh. Ow, that hurt. Oh, my leg. Well, cracked the windshield. All the wheels twisted. It's on an angle. It's like coming out on an angle. And no, it's not my eyes. And just imagine it. Just imagine with your imagination. Damage. Oh yeah, that's broke. The tires, I can wobble it so easily. That should not be like that. The tires aligned the wrong way. The right tire's going to the right, and the left tire's just like going forward. Yeah, I think we destroyed it. But yeah, it's still dry. Oh, it's wobbling. Tires wobbling. Oh, how did that not how did that like not break the Porsche and literally just dented the hood in? This car is weak. It does have a turbo though. That's pretty nice. I don't think this local business will mind if I just use this to prepare my launch. Even though this car goes wild on launches, it's like the tire. But cement and wood broke this car, so I doubt it's going to do any damage to me. Power it. We're going 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Are you? Of course. Okay, don't worry. This time we're sending it. We're going. Oh, that pushed the tire further towards me. That's not good. We're gonna watch out for the toolbox this time. It's 80, 90. Ooh, ah. How did that, oh crap. Oh, no. The tire's like in, right here used to be like a nice panel going down. The tire's literally in there. The shock is, it's all over here. Wait a minute. The tire's not even on here. It's just a plain rim. Bruh. Yo, I think that's enough for today. We're just gonna slowly drive it so it doesn't explode on me. Oh, you can see, this isn't even a diesel or anything. And there's just smoke coming out of it. Black smoke, that means there's probably a fire. And I smell it too. Okay, you know what, we're gonna power wash this. We're just gonna pour some water on it. We don't want it blowing up. Then get to engine. Sensitivity on Xbox isn't good. It takes forever to turn around. At least on Office 19. Okay. Blew it off. Okay, so it's not there anymore. You don't want to explode. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.